To get to ControlUp sentiment feedback, we start at our main dashboard and we'll click on Surveys first. Here's our surveys that we have created. Let's go ahead and create a new one. We can see this one's in English, but maybe I wanted to add one in French, so I can look up that language French. So it will be given in the language of the end user. I'll give this survey a name. We'll call this one Wi-Fi. I can do triggers. Do I want it to run when the machine's idle? How many retries do I want it to do? And how many hours between retries, because I don't want to inundate that user with questions. When I get to my questions, I can add a Net Promoter Score, free text, multiple choice, multiple selection. I'm doing Net Promoter Score. I'm going to say, how is your home network? Or your home Wi-Fi network. And I can give this a 0 for my low score and a 20 for my high score. I'll add this to my global Net Promoter Score. Then I can add a question or keep going. So at the end of my statement, I want to be polite. I want to thank the user for taking the survey. So next I can add an image. Maybe it's my corporate logo. I can add on there that will pop up when the end user takes the survey. And then I can say, hey, what is this? This is a Wi-Fi survey. I'll go ahead and hit next. Now, my targets. Do I want to send them to all users, non-domain users, specific AD user groups? And when do I want this to start and when do I want this to stop? I hit next. I hit review, but I see I've missed something. So the wizard really is smart and says, hey, you've missed this one section. I didn't say what I want to do at the end of the survey. I'll say, I could add the next question, or I'll say end survey. Then I could save my draft, and then when I could have someone review it for me. When we're happy, then we can go ahead and send this out to everybody. Well, that was the survey, but how do you see the results? Well, I go back to my dashboard. I go to my sentiment dashboard. And here I can see some results from Home Network or a work satisfaction survey that was done last month. So here I have sentiment scores, how people like it overall, my NPS scores, and even my groups, my AD groups, and I can drill down and see how they're doing.